Do you think Kerala is just about backwaters and houseboats? Hello, salam, namaste. This is Moshmi, aka Miss Many Hands, and welcome to my channel. Let me introduce to you the lesser known treasures of this beautiful state in the series Gems of Kerala. Pozhikara Beach near Kovalam is a tranquil, lesser known beach where the backwaters meet the Arabian Sea. It is known for its serene ambience, sandy seashores, and stunning sunset. It's a perfect escape from the crowds. Varkala is a unique geological formation overlooking the Arabian Sea, famous for its dramatic red cliff. It offers stunning panoramic views, vibrant beachside cafes and shops. The cliffside is ideal for enjoying sunset, relaxing and experiencing Varkala's lively atmosphere. Malarikal is another hidden gem of Kerala, a must-visit for nature lover as this place transforms into stunning sea of pink water lilies across 10 acres in the monsoon. Visit in the early morning hours and you can take a boat ride through the field for a minimum charges by the local. The place is only 30 minutes drive from Kumarakom. Alleppey Backwater Boat Ride offers a tranquil experience through Kerala's picturesque waterways lined with lush green palm trees and traditional villages. Also known as the Venice of the East, Alleppey allows visitors to explore the serene backwaters in the traditional houseboats, providing an intimate glimpse into the local life and natural beauty. Kapil Beach, located 7 kilometers away from Varkala, is a scenic destination known for its stunning natural beauty. The beach offers a unique blend of landscape with Arabian Sea on one side and lake backwaters on the other, creating a picturesque delta. Surrounded by coconut groves, its quiet and uncrowded environment makes it an ideal escape for nature lovers from the crowded tourist spots. Azimala Shiva statue in Kovalam is a striking and massive sculpture of Lord Shiva standing at 58 feet tall. Located in the Azimala Shiva complex, the statue depicts Shiva in a meditative pose, majestically overlooking the Arabian Sea. The intricate design and serene expressions are captivating, offering a sense of peace and spirituality. The location on the cliff with panoramic sea views enhances the statue's grandeur. The Gateway of Cochin Bridge or the Kochi Bridge is a series of bridges located in Kochi. It comprises of 3 bridges connecting the islands of Kochi. It offers a scenic view of the Kochi backwaters and the Arabian Sea. Puvar, a charming coastal town in Kerala, has pristine beaches, tranquil backwaters and lush greenery. With a rich history, it now offers Ayurvedic resorts, boat cruises and water sports. Scenic views of the Arabian Sea and surrounding landscape makes it a perfect destination. Marthanda Varma Bridge in Kochi spans across the backwaters connecting the city to the suburbs. It offers scenic view of the backwaters and the surrounding landscapes and is a popular spot for photography and sunset views. Puvar Backwater Boat Ride offers scenic views, wildlife spotting and a relaxing experience. You can explore the traditional fishing village and a sunset cruise either in houseboat or speedboat. It is a perfect blend of Kerala's natural beauty and cultural heritage, so a must-do experience. Jatayu Earth Center, located 45 minutes away from Varkala, showcases the largest bird statue in the world. The Jatayu statue spans across 15,000 square feet and also has its name into the Guinness Book. The Kumarakom Sunset Cruise offers a serene experience on the Vembanad Lake with breathtaking views of the setting sun. You can spot local birds and marine life and enjoy traditional Kerala snacks and take scenic views of the village and paddy fields. The ambience is perfect for a picturesque experience. Cherai Beach in Kochi offers soft golden sand, crystal clear waters and scenic Arabian sea views. You can enjoy water sports, dolphin spotting and the local seafood. The nearby beach restaurants add to the charm. Varkala Beach, also known as the Papansam Beach, not only offers spectacular views and beautiful sunset but also has a religious significance. It is believed that taking a dip in these waters washes away all your sins. Vipin Island in Kochi offers some beautiful narrow roads passing through the backwaters making it a scenic location for photography and exploring the backwaters up and close. Driving through these narrow lanes is absolutely mesmerizing. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos like this.